This week, we're going to talk about chapter 14, which is about interest rates and currency swaps. Today, I'm going to mostly talk about currency swaps. It is an agreement between two parties where a series of future currency transactions are agreed on and exchange rates that is determined as of the agreement date. If you think about it, they're similar to forward exchange rates or forward transactions, where you have only one payment or one transaction in the future. 6 months from today, I'm going to give you 1 million euros. You're going to give me dollars in exchange, but we're going to determine what that exchange rate is going to be right now. That is basically the simplest currency swap you can do. Uh, Generically, currency swaps, you have a series of future currency transactions, but you agree that the exchange rate for all of them is going to be the same, except you determine exactly what those are going to be now. Let's go ahead and start a template. Let's call this. So we're going to figure out, given the inputs, what should the exchange rate be. First of all, let's see, what is the for example, let's say we're going to do, let's see, let's do dollar yen, 147.69. To make it simple, I'm going to do this in years, but the idea extends to any maturities pretty much. I'm going to allow this to happen up to 30 years. Come on. So for each of those years, we're going to determine the foreign currency amount. And this is length of swap. Let's say this is 10 years. To help us to, enter the numbers, I'm going to put in a special format. I'm going to say home conditional formatting, new rule, and I'm going to use the formula to determine which cells to format. If this years, and I'll get rid of the is greater than, less than or equal to length of swap. I'm going to make this bold italic. Let's do the fill as green or dark green. As you can see, only the first 10 have a green background. If this is a 5-year swap, only the first 5. I kind of want to do this so that if you have already numbers from a previous use, we'll be able to ignore them. But for now, let's put these in.